Somehow we fit all of this and all of the people in there.
Luggage.
And now we're at, this isn't the cruise terminal, is it?
Yeah, well, yeah, where we check in.
Okay, so this is where we check in. And then I think we might have to take a bus, but we'll keep you posted. Want to say what happened?
Oh yeah, so they took our passports. They'll give them back on the fourth day before the end of the cruise. They had like 1 million passports in there. It's pretty crazy, but it's pretty typical.
That was the last step, and now we get on the ship.
Well, no, that wasn't the last step.
Oh, there's
Now
one more step.
Now we go take a bus to the ship.
Ah.
Because several years ago, a cruise ship ran aground in the port and messed it all up. Instead of fixing it, they just do this now.
Ah, that's funny. All right, so it's a process. Plan plenty of time.
All right, so we took the elevator down because we had our bags, and now we're getting on the ship. Well, we're getting on the bus to the ship.
We just learned that the other ship, Holland America, is doing a 22 night, and they stop at Patagonia. But because we are going to the Falkland Islands, they cannot. Ours is limited for I don't know if you'll be able to hear me because it's so loud at the bus. It's exciting!
On the bus to the ship. You can bring a carry-on as long as you can carry it. Bigger suitcases have to be checked at the port, but honestly, it does better.
We gotta drag our bags up.
So that side is a ramp, and it goes all the way up to the side of the ship. This is the way on and off the ship. Bye. That's your other option.
We've made it!
Bigger suitcases have to be checked at the port, but honestly, it does better. Once you get on board, you can actually drop your stuff in the room. It's not fully clean yet, but they allow you to drop off your bags, get your room key, then you can head upstairs, enjoy lunch, do your muster drill, all that kind of stuff. It's actually noon, so our time was 10:30. We got to the port at about 10:45, so I would say plan an hour and a half from the time you get dropped off until the time you get on the ship, but not terrible considering all of the things we had to go through to get here. Anyways, we're gonna go enjoy the ship, and we will be back later to give you a room tour. We're being pulled.